Now, the midnight deadline for the Trump administration to bring Abrego Garcia back to the U.S. is on pause.
Yeah, new tonight, we are hearing from the attorney representing the Prince George's County father who was mistakenly deported last month. Our Katie Lesso is following this for us tonight. And Katie, what is this attorney saying?
Well, Lorenzo and Leslie, he says they expect to get an answer from the court in the next couple of days and is feeling confident.
The government's response that they can whisk someone out of the country by accident and then have no responsibility to fix, what they've broken, just doesn't make sense as a legal matter and is also just disturbing as a matter of constitutional law. So we are fully confident that we're going to prevail at the Supreme Court.
Okay, so let's give you a quick recap. The 29-year-old father of three was living in Prince George's County. He was granted protected status by an immigration judge in 2019, meaning the federal government was prohibited from sending him to El Salvador. But last month, he was mistakenly deported to El Salvador, the federal government accusing him of being an MS-13 gang member, but they haven't provided any evidence of that. His wife, a U.S. citizen, says that's simply not true, and she has vowed to keep fighting for him.
I miss you so much, and I'm doing the best to fight for you and our children.
We know the federal government admitted this was a mistake. Why aren't they just bringing him back?
Well, it's a little bit complicated. So the Trump administration lawyers have argued that bringing Abrego Garcia back is not within their power. But tonight, Abrego Garcia's attorney has a completely different take.
The government keeps using the word impossible. The notion that it would be impossible to get him back is just completely implausible. No one believes that.
All right, Katie, so you mentioned the federal government hasn't presented any evidence that he is a gang member, even though members of the Trump administration says he is. So if he's brought back, is it clear if he'll face any charges?
Well, Attorney General Pam Bondi was asked exactly that question. What charges would he face, if any? But she didn't answer the question. Instead, she talked about how the jails are full and that they want to get, quote, these people out of our country when possible.
All right, we will keep following this case for sure. Katie, thank you.